Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix offline printer error in Windows 11 using various options. Chapter 1. Fix Windows 11 printer error adjusting the printer. We'll start by using the Windows search engine to search for the word Control. Then, click on the Control Panel option in the results you see. Here we will click on the Hardware and Sound option. After this, click on Devices and Printers to view your printers in Windows. When you see the printer generating the error, right-click on it and select Set as Default Printer. As a result, you will see that the printer will have the check sign indicating that it is now set as the default printer. After this, right-click on the printer again, then click on the option See What is Printing. We will see that a window that corresponds to the print queue opens. There you will click on the printer menu, and then you must make another on Pause Printing to disable this action. We do this to prevent impressions from having an error. You will see that when you disable this pause, the check sign no longer appears. Again, click on Printer, and check that the option Use Printer Offline is not enabled to avoid errors. Chapter 2. Fix Windows 11 printer error automatically. We'll go back to the Devices and Printers route we've seen before. Here, right-click on the problem printer. This time, select the Troubleshoot option. Now we must wait for this tool to take care of reviewing everything that has to do with the printer to give a solution to the problem automatically. Once the process is finished, we will see if the problem has been repaired or not. If you want to see the details of the analysis, you can click on the line View Detailed Information. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. Fix Windows 11 printer error updating driver. We start by right-clicking on the Windows button. Then in the list, you will see click on Device Manager to open it. In this window, locate the section called Print Queues. Clicking on it will open other options. This time you must right-click on the name of the printer with problems and click on Update Driver. Then we will click on Search Automatically for Drivers, so that the system can see if any update of printer drivers is found. Once the process is complete, the drivers will have been installed. You can also check that really if any updates are currently by clicking on Search for Updated Drivers on Windows Update. There we can check for updates to determine if we find any possibility of updating drivers on the printer. Chapter 4. Fix Windows 11 printer error from services. We will start by opening the Start menu and looking for ORs with the word Services. Then click Services to open the local services console. Within this list, there is a service called Print Spooler. Once you find it, double-click on it to see its properties. In this window, we will do the following. You must set Automatic Mode in the Startup type line. Then click on Stop, and then click on Start to restart the Print Spooler service. After this, apply the changes by clicking Apply. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.